Our flagship work opens in Cardiff because we open in our biggest theatre, the Wales Millennium Centre, which is our home. But apart from that, we have very, very strong relationships with other cities, other towns, other communities, and audiences of all ages. We do a lot of other work around that. We do family concerts, schools projects. We have youth opera. We have a North Wales community choir, we have a South Wales community choir. We're constantly plugged into all sorts of different levels of activity, and that, because we are a touring company, obviously that happens and can only happen because we are flexible and we can go on the road.
You often get quite a strong response, even verbally, from the audience. Say good evening to them and they all go good evening back, and you get to really kind of get the concert off to a good start. It's kind of inspiring actually for me and for the other musicians, I think, because you get a real communication with them, which of course when we're doing the operas we don't get so much because we're behind a wall down in the depths of the pit, and we kind of miss that when we're playing down there, that you don't get such a close connection with the audience.
This is a very exciting concert. There's some very powerful themes in this concert. There's some great music. There's a very good variety of music right the way through to a crossover piece at the end. I want them to take away, if they haven't been to much opera but they go to quite a lot of live music and they go to concerts, that they might try an opera because one of the themes may chime with them and they may think, we'd like to go to the opera.
You know, we're playing these music by these genius composers of established works of art, masterpieces of the repertoire, and to get under the skin and to learn those pieces and then to be able to perform is obviously, you know, that's your musicians, that's your ideals, that's why you play really and why you perform and what you do it for. It is about music, but obviously it's really nice when everyone claps at the end, and it's even better when they cheer and stand up.